Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic scrolling in your Windows 10 or 11. It's super quick and really easy to do. Let's get started. First, go to your search bar over here, type settings, or you can easily type in mouse so you can access the mouse settings. Click on it, then you will see options over here, okay? What you need to look at is scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. So you want to disable automatic scrolling, please turn off this option, okay? If you want to enable automatic scrolling, just simply turn it back on. You can also customize many lines, scroll at a time over here. It's not necessary. You can also customize how many lines scroll at a time. By default, it's set to one, but feel free to adjust it to whatever feels comfortable for you. And that's it. You have now successfully disabled automatic scrolling in your PC. I hope you found this video very helpful.